I bet you didn't know how crucial cGMP and the FDA's role are in ensuring pharmaceutical quality. When we take a medication, we place a great deal of trust in the pharmaceutical industry. This trust is not built on hope, but on a robust system of regulations and oversight. At the heart of this system is cGMP, which stands for Current Good Manufacturing Practice. cGMP is a set of regulations enforced by the US Food and Drug Administration, FDA. These regulations ensure that pharmaceutical products are manufactured to the highest standards of quality. The goal of cGMP is to minimize the risk of errors, contamination, and other problems that could compromise the safety and effectiveness of medications. By adhering to cGMP guidelines, pharmaceutical companies play a crucial role in protecting public health. If you find this information valuable, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insights on pharmaceutical quality and safety. I don't think people understand the importance of cGMP in ensuring pharmaceutical quality. cGMP is not merely a set of rules, but a comprehensive system designed to ensure the quality of pharmaceuticals. It encompasses every stage of the manufacturing process, from the design of facilities and equipment to the training of personnel. One of the key aspects of cGMP is the establishment of robust procedures and documentation. Every step of the manufacturing process must be clearly defined and documented, leaving no room for ambiguity or error. Moreover, cGMP emphasizes the importance of qualified and trained personnel. Regular training programs are essential to ensure that employees stay up to date with the latest cGMP requirements and industry best practices. By mandating these comprehensive measures, cGMP establishes a framework for pharmaceutical manufacturers to consistently produce high-quality, safe, and effective medications. cGMP regulations cover a wide range of elements within a pharmaceutical manufacturing facility. These elements are interconnected and work together to create a robust quality system. Facilities and equipment cGMP requires that manufacturing facilities are of suitable size, construction, and location to facilitate orderly operation. Equipment must be designed, maintained, and cleaned to prevent contamination or mix-ups. Control of materials. Strict controls are required for all materials used in drug manufacturing, from raw ingredients to packaging components. This includes proper labeling, storage, handling, and testing to ensure quality and prevent contamination. Production and process controls. Written procedures must be established for each step of the manufacturing process. These procedures ensure that operations are performed consistently and according to predefined specifications. Traditionally, quality control in manufacturing relied heavily on end product testing. However, cGMP promotes a shift from end product testing to a more proactive approach of building quality into every stage of the process. The rationale behind this shift is that testing alone cannot guarantee the quality of a product. If a problem arises during manufacturing, testing the final product will only identify the issue after the fact. Building in quality means designing and controlling the manufacturing process in a way that minimizes the risk of errors or defects. This involves using qualified personnel, validated equipment, controlled environments, and robust procedures. When quality is built into every step, the reliance on end product testing is reduced. The FDA plays a critical role in enforcing cGMP regulations and ensuring the quality of pharmaceutical products. One of the primary mechanisms for enforcement is through inspections of manufacturing facilities. FDA inspections are unannounced and can occur at any time. During an inspection, FDA investigators thoroughly examine the facility, equipment, procedures, and documentation to assess compliance with cGMP regulations. They may also collect samples of materials or products for testing. If an inspection reveals deviations from cGMP regulations, the FDA will take appropriate action. The FDA's inspection and enforcement activities are essential for holding pharmaceutical companies accountable and ensuring that they adhere to the highest standards of quality. Failure to comply with cGMP regulations can have serious consequences for both pharmaceutical companies and the public. For companies, non-compliance can result in a range of regulatory actions, including a formal notification of cGMP violations requiring corrective actions within a specified time frame, an inspectional observations form issued by the FDA to document cGMP deviations observed during an inspection, preventing the importation of products from facilities that are not in compliance with cGMP regulations, removing adulterated or misbranded products from the market. Beyond the regulatory and legal ramifications, non-compliance with cGMP can have a detrimental impact on public health. Substandard or contaminated medications can lead to adverse reactions, treatment failures, and even death. The FDA recognizes that navigating cGMP regulations can be challenging, especially for new or smaller companies. To assist manufacturers, the FDA provides resources including these documents offer non-binding recommendations and best practices for manufacturing. The FDA offers training programs to educate industry professionals on cGMP requirements. The FDA's website provides access to regulations, guidance documents, and inspection reports. Utilizing these resources helps companies develop robust quality systems to ensure product safety and effectiveness. To our channel, if you find this information helpful, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. cGMP ensures the quality, safety, and effectiveness of pharmaceutical products. Enforced by the FDA, these regulations provide a framework for high standards of quality control. cGMP covers facility design, equipment, personnel training, and material control. Quality is built into every stage, not just end product testing. The FDA's inspections and enforcement hold companies accountable. Swift action against non-compliance protects consumers. Collaboration between regulators and industry maintains public trust and patient safety. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates.